Damn, it's bright up in here. And it's too early. What I'm doing filming, bro? Like, what am I doing filming right now?
Nigga, if you don't put your damn shirt on.
Here you go again, Ezel. What the Come on, man. What's happening, bro? What's the deal? It's been a minute since I talked to you, actually. I have some shit to tell you.
Nigga, you don't got shit to tell me. Go on with the fucking video.
Man, it's too early for that, bro. It's too early for the jokes, man. You already know. I told you already. I'm ready for you. Whenever you ready, I'm ready.
Fool, you do the same videos all the time. We tired of that shit.
Come on, man. I'm just giving them what they want. Shut up.
Nah, nigga, you shut up. You ain't the GOAT. Lying ass nigga.
Whatever, bro. Anyways, what's good, YouTube? Hey, check it out. I got some heat for y'all right now, man. Keep it locked. Don't go nowhere. Just stay tuned, bro, because it's about to go down. Let's get it. If you're great, they gon' hate. Yeah.
Gang.
What's good, PB gang? It's PB the GOAT, aka Rope God.
Rope God. Rope God.
Yeah. And I know it's been about a week since I've done a video. You know, I'm glad you guys still sticking with me. You know, y'all know it's been real busy for me. You know, Go Drip Hair Products. I finally dropped my business and it's been going crazy, which is good. It's definitely a blessing. So busy is a good thing, you know. But I can't forget about y'all. You know, I still gotta, manage to do everything. And I do a lot of shit. I do a lot of things, bro. Daily. My daily life is really busy. Okay? From getting my kids, taking them to school on the weekdays and shit. Managing their ways. They're 3 kids. Managing 3 boys' head, including mine. Making the product, shipping them out. Doing YouTube, everything. It's a lot. Imagine you doing that. So that's why I haven't really been doing YouTube as much. But thank you everybody for sticking, supporting me and sticking with me, beside me. PB gang, y'all know I got y'all, man. You already know I'm going to drop something. Anyways, you guys been waiting for this video. You guys been asking for this video heavy. You guys been wondering how the hell have you gotten your hair so healthy so fast. You guys know I got a cut about a month ago, right? And our month and some change ago, and my hair was very unhealthy, but I'm gonna explain to you guys and show you guys everything I've been doing to make my hair get healthy as it is. Now it's gonna only get healthier, so you guys can do it. You know what I'm saying too, and it's gonna work for you. Trust me. Not everything I do gonna work for you though. You gotta try it for yourself. I learned things. I just present it to you guys. You guys could try it. If it worked for you, it worked. Not. You feel me? But I'm doing my part. But anyways, I'm gonna show you all the things that I've been doing, all the things I've been using. But first, let me show you this heat. turn on this. It's too bright. Let me see something. Hold on. I ain't gonna cut out none of this either. I'm just gonna make it as live as it can be. We're gonna cut some of this out though. Turn it down. The ISO is too bright. Anyways, y'all. It's crazy, man. Y'all see that, bro? My hair has got stupid healthy, bro. Like, my hair ain't been this healthy in my hair ain't been this healthy, I say, in about a year. You know, and believe it or not, bro, hair health comes from washing, like basically keeping your hair clean, wash regimen. So you want to make sure that you have a wash regimen, whether if it's once a week or twice a week. I highly recommend that you wash your hair twice a week. I wash my hair twice a week, okay? I go to the gym 6 days out of the week. I do 3 days. It's called a 3-day split. I do 3 days, take 1 day off, do 3 days again. So after the third day of working out, that same third day, I wash my hair. The next day, you know, I'm letting my hair breathe and stuff like that because I don't have gym. You feel me? So then the next day after that, I have gym. So I still work out, everything. You know, I'm still managing, keeping my hair clean. I just haven't been lazy. I've been brushing. That's the main thing too. Keeping your hair clean, brushing your hair a lot. You know, with soft brushes though. You know, my hair obviously was short. I cut it short, y'all know. So that's what I did that purposely to show you guys how to, you know, bring your waves back. You know, and also just to bring my stuff back, cause you know, y'all know, bro, I had lost a lot of progress, man. So, you know, I'm very excited that my hair has definitely gotten better, gotten healthier. And I'm just working on these forks now, you know, and I'm still working on hair health as well. Hair health plays a big role in the wave game, being that it makes your waves look more, it brings more definition to your waves. It makes your waves pop more, you know what I'm saying? Like you can see your waves from a distance. You know, you see my waves like this, you can see them popping, you know, because my hair is healthy. If your hair is healthy, it's gonna be more coarse. I mean, if your hair is not healthy, it's gonna be more coarse, and then it's gonna look dry and stuff. When your hair is healthy, it looks more, gives more shine to it. You know, actually makes your waves look a little bigger because your curls get bigger, which widens your waves. And also, it just overall, you know, the definition, everything, it just makes your hair look better, bro, overall. So hair health is very important, okay? So this is what I'm doing, bro. All right, so anyways, these are the only two brushes, soft brushes I've been using. I use a medium brush too as well. I haven't been using hard brushes. I've been using mediums and soft brushes, but mainly soft brushes. This right here is a Torino Pro. This one is a soft medium, like a medium type soft brush. It's not a pure soft though. This one right here is a Diane A169. It is a pure soft brush, OG, okay? Y'all know all I use is flat brushes. You can use the curves if you want, no biggie. This is what I use, okay? To me, it's good for my connections, for my head, you know what I mean? So that. Also, you guys know I'm using the Laydown G. You know this right here. Also, when you get done with your sessions, you use this. This will smooth your hair out. You know, I use the plastic bag as well, but that's just to apply my oil on top of the plastic bag. Cause I wouldn't put the oil on this. You can do that, but I just feel like it's better to put the oil on that, smooth it down with the plastic bag, and then finish it off with this. That method coming soon too, no trip. Anyway, so that's that, all right? Next, of course, you guys know that I am using Go Drip hair products, okay? Go Drip. You know, I don't want to keep on throwing this in your ear like I'm just a broke dude trying to get some money from you guys. This is what I'm using, so it's just only right for me to present it to you guys and let you guys know. You know what I'm saying? Yo, these products are fucking amazing, dog. Like, I love this. Look at that shit. You can just tell from the butter, bro, how it looks inside. It's just crazy, man. Don't sleep on. Get this shit right here. You see, people go merch.com. Purchase your duo, man. Purchase your dual pack. The dual pack I can't talk. The dual pack consists of the butter and the moisturizer. This right here is the moisturizer, right? They both have different scents. Smell fire. I know you guys waiting for the reviews, but I ain't really rushing the review because other people done reviews on it already. But they're gonna do a review on it too soon. No trip. Also, I got a moisturizing and sealing method consisting of these two products. I don't know why I can't talk. I guess because it's too early. Whatever though. Anyways, those two products right there is all I've been using since my haircut. Before that, you know, I was using that too, but I wasn't using it consistently, you know, because I was making sure that I want to make sure that I get the product exactly how I wanted, as far as the consistency, as far as the, you know, the shine, everything. I wanted to perfect the product before I present it to, you know, the wavy community or the hair community period. So I really wasn't using it as much. I was using it here and there, but now I'm just using it consistently. That's all I'm using, that right there. And look, it's got in my hair like this, you know, healthy, nice. Y'all see it? Okay, so also, I just recently started being on this about a month ago. No, I ain't gonna lie, about 2 weeks ago. This shit right here, man. I'm telling y'all too much, man. I'm telling y'all all my jewels, bro. I can't even tell y'all all the jewels. No, I'll let y'all know though, man. And that's all. That's what I'm here for, bro. You know, this right here is the main choice. It's called, and you can get this from CVS, Walgreens, Walmart, I think, Sally's, whatever. I think they cost. It's about $30 for this, and it's for 60 capsules. You take 2, you know, a day, which is about 30 of them that you take. What, 60 of them? It should be basically you taking a month worth. So this right here is a month worth of hair growth vitamins. But you taking 2 a day. Yeah, so it says healthy hair growth and retention vitamins. Metabolism plus, longer, thicker, faster, complete nutrition. 60 capsules, dietary supplement. It is, all of this is vitamins like biotin, like that. Any vitamin you take though, bro, you gotta make sure you drink a lot of water with it. At least a gallon a day. That's what I do. So you won't have no allergic reaction like breakout. You know what I'm saying? Some people, you know, have little, you know, different things like agony and stuff like that. Drink a lot of water, you should be straight. You know, it'll flush everything out. Especially if you work out too, you know, you flushing all that stuff out, you know. But yeah, beautiful hair starts from within. This right here, bro, is a must, bro. The capsule look like this. I wasn't doing a review on it, but I'm like, why not just add it into this video? Show you guys what I'm using. The capsules look like this though. It's just capsules, like, let me see. See, it's like capsules. It's not really a pill. Vitamin capsules. Oh shit, I dropped that shit. Yep. So this right here is I highly recommend that you use. It is definitely a great product. I have definitely seen like more healthier signs of hair. My hair has gotten healthy since I've been using that and the Gold Drip hair products alone. That's what I'm doing. That also, you know, I'm getting older, so I don't you want to kind of like prepare yourself. You want to kind of like prepare yourself for, you know, baldage, you know, stuff like that. You don't want to, you know, basically preparing yourself, because, you know, when you get older, bro, you start to bald. I don't care. Even if it's not, you know, in your family or whatever, hereditary or whatever, doesn't matter. You got your own, you your own self, and I feel like you can bald. So I prepare myself for that. So that's why I be like hair health and stuff, and I try to keep my hair real clean and everything, because you can definitely go bald. It doesn't matter if it doesn't run in your family. You feel me? Anyway, so I'll be using this too right here with the oil. I mean with the vitamins. It's my main choice as well. It's a hair growth oil. I've been using this. You know, helps to support natural growth and retention. Helps to reduce shedding. Helps to revitalize and rejuvenate the scalp. Naturally stimulate oil. Smoothness and conditions the scalp. Helps transform hair into a healthier state for all hair types. Infused with biotin and vitamin C and D. Definitely, bro, it's good. This right here is a great ass oil. You know, you can use it as is too. It has great shine, but I use this for like my crown area. Like I said, everybody will go bald soon, bro. I don't care who it is. It doesn't really run in my family. It's not really hereditary in my family. You know, it's not really in my genes of going bald, but I still like to keep my hair healthy. I still like to prepare myself just in case, you know, I end up, you know, starting to like lose hair or whatever. I just use this stuff every day, once a day. Apply it in my crown, you know, obviously I brush it in with a soft brush. And I use my Gold Drip hair products, you know, the plastic bag and the Laydown G. And the soft brushes. That's all I've been doing, bro. That's it. And I gained a wash routine twice a week. You already know. That's what I've been doing forever, twice a week. That's it. All right. I'm sorry, y'all, that I haven't been, doing videos as much, but I'll try and do them as much as I can. You know what I'm saying? When I do drop it, make sure you join the notification gang so you will not miss out on none of the videos, okay? Also, make sure everybody like the video right now. Show love, hit the thumbs up button. Definitely excited that my progress is coming back. I still got a lot of forks to work on my right side. It's my weak side, obviously. Still got a lot of forks to work on. I'm working on that. It takes time, I ain't rushing nothing. You gotta trust the process. Simple as that. Everybody gonna get there. We all gonna get there. It takes time. Long journey, bro. Waving is a long journey, especially if you want to have elite waves. You want to have waves that stand out from everybody else's, from your homies, your friends. You got to put in that work. You got to be patient, and everything will fall in place eventually. All right? Trust me. Trust the process, man. PB gang, PB the GOAT. Signing out. I love y'all. Like the video, subscribe. Go get your Go Drip Hair Products, pbthegoatmerch.com. If you want your hair to look like this, silky, simple. If you're great, they gon' hate. Yeah. Cut the camera, nigga. If you're great, they gon' hate. Yeah.
Gang. Let go.